These two products are the best Sage cleaning tablets to clean your Sage coffee machine. They are much cheaper, have next day delivery and provide great results every time. They also have amazing reviews and are perfect Sage coffee machine cleaning tablets. The official Sage Espresso cleaning tablets are quite expensive, so you can use these alternatives to get quickly on Amazon to clean your Sage Barista Express, Sage Bambino, Sage Barista Pro and Sage Barista Touch. The Cafiza products are ideal cleaning tablets for Sage coffee machines. They come in packs of 32 or 100 and are very popular for the Sage Barista Express and Sage Bambino machines. They are currently around 4 times cheaper than the official Sage cleaning tablets, which is a huge saving. These are all 2-gram cleaning tablets, which is the recommended amount for cleaning the Sage coffee machines and are very easy to use. We also have a video on how to use these, so be sure to watch this before using the Sage coffee machine cleaning tablets. Thanks for watching our Sage cleaning tablets video. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.